Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a chameleon.
Yeah, a Halloween chameleon. We hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using our marker paper to draw on, but first we're using a pencil to draw some of the basic shapes of our chameleon. And then we're going to use our marker after. Let's first draw an oval shape for our chameleon's head. I'm going to draw it right here, kind of to the left of the paper so that we have room for the body. And you can press lightly if you want to so that it's easier to erase. Well, I like how big you drew yours.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. It's okay that our drawings are different, and it's okay that our art friends' drawings are different too, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Yeah. Now let's draw the body. We're going to start here in the middle, the bottom of the oval, and we're going to come over here to the middle of, or maybe a little higher, there. So we're going to draw a letter U for the body. This is the belly and the back. Now, if you have a lot of extra lines, you can erase any of the ones you don't want to keep.
Okay.
Now we're done with our pencil. Let's put that off to the side and switch to our markers. If our art friends want, you could keep using your pencil too. You don't have to switch. Okay, let's draw the eyes next. We're going to first draw a big circle right here on the left side of the head. And then on this side, we're going to draw the letter C, and we want it to be the same height as this first circle. So I'm going to draw it like that. This is going to make the eyes look 3D. This one's on the other side. We're going to come in a little further, or into the oval. And then we're going to draw a curve that comes in and connects the top and the bottom. Yeah, okay, now let's draw the eyebrows. We're going to draw them coming down in between the eyes and connecting to the other eye. And then we're going to draw another line for the top of the eyebrow coming over, down, back up. And then look over here at the end, I'm going to curve in so it gets closer to a point. It's kind of making our chameleon look angry. Let's give him a big smile. We're going to start here and we'll draw a curve coming down and then curving up. Ooh, we could even go even further. There we go. Then let's draw his lips. We can draw right here. And then we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth coming around. We're just tracing over the pencil. And I'm going to stop right here. Then let's draw highlights for a chameleon. We can draw two little circles in the top left. And then let's color in the big eye and leave those little circles white. Then let's draw two nostrils. And anytime we fast forward or if we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. All right. Now let's draw a line. Or a curve. We're going to draw the back of the head. We're going to start here. And we're going to draw a curve coming out of the head towards the top left or top right. Yeah. And then let's draw little bumps for the texture. And then right here, we're going to draw the head coming up and connecting. And then right here, we can draw it curving around and into the cheek. Okay, now let's draw the arms and also the body. We're going to start here for the first arm. We'll draw a little line down and curve out. Then we're going to draw it curving around for the hand. And then back into the body for the elbow. We can also draw a little split on the toes. Then over here, let's just draw an oval shape for his other hand, or a circle. Then we can split the toes. Oh, and let's trace over the pencil for the belly. And then we can also connect in for the arm. Then let's draw the back leg. We're going to draw bending up for the knee and down. Then let's draw the same shape for the foot. And we can curve up for the back of the leg. And then split the toes. Oh, and let's draw the belly. And let's also draw the back. We're going to start here. We'll trace over the pencil line. But when we get to here, we're going to go down and start curving around and spiral into the end of the tail. Well, I'm going to add just a little more spiral. Then right here at the bottom of the spiral, we can start curving back into the body and connect to the leg. Our little chameleon's awesome.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the branch that he's sitting on. Right here, we're going to draw it coming through his hand and coming and curving up. Then we can start here, draw a point. I'm going to stop and we'll add a smaller little branch right here. Then let's draw the branch curving down. And if there's a little space here in between the tail, you can connect it. And then I'm going to draw curving down and connecting. This could be the ground. And then let's make the branch thicker, curving down. And then we could draw those two lines connected. And we did it. We finished drawing our chameleon. Or it doesn't really look Halloween though. We need to color it.
Yes.
This part will fast forward. We could also even add Halloween decorations. You ready to speed things up?
Yep.
Before we speed it up, also remember to use your eraser and erase any of the pencil lines that you can still see. Jack, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our Halloween chameleons, and they turned out so cool.
Yeah, they did.
We also added extra things to our drawing, like a pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern. Also added leaves.
And a bat.
Yeah, the bat's perfect. Oh, and we also added little spikes, just like on his head, going down his back.
You could even add more things to your chameleon.
Oh yeah, like a costume.
Oh yeah.
Maybe he's dressed up as a vampire with sharp teeth.
We hope you had fun drawing a Halloween chameleon.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.